Sawadika. Welcome to I Am Done Pain channel. Today I'm gonna cook shoulder pork barbecue. Ingredients we have garlic, cooking oil, and sauce. First thing, we're gonna crack garlic and put inside the pork. So, okay, get ready. Just a little bit crack, make crack. Okay, and then we stuck in. Sure. Stuck in, put the finger. Oh, have breast come out. It's not a good soon. Okay. And then we use the cooking oil. Put on top the skin. Make sure everywhere. Okay. And then we're gonna use the sauce. Put on top of the skin. Because the sauce can when we put shoulder pork in the barbecue, it's make cracker. So everywhere the same oil cooking. Massage. Keep a little bit. Shoulder pork massage. Make gentle. Make sure oil and sauce go in everywhere. Make them relax before put on barbecue. And then a little bit more. This time we don't need to give them massage, so just add a little bit more on top of the skin. Get ready to go in the barbecue. I think it is ready. So, okay, I'm gonna put the shoulder pork in the barbecue. Let's go. Hello, we are at the barbecue now, so I'm gonna put the pork inside the barbecue. Let's go. I'm gonna use temperature for 250 for 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna come and check again, and then drop temperature to 180 for 2 hours. Okay, then see you. Hi, I'm back. I'm gonna take the food off. Oh wow. It's ready. Very juicy inside. Look at that. Let us shake. Very juicy, Lala. Oh my god. Hello, I'm back. Checking. Oh, cracker. Let's try. Wow, smells so nice. Let's try it. Hot.